Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to PMDC's online lecture room. I'm Associate Professor Sobia Rouge. This lecture is from Chapter 14 D and F block elements. In this lecture, we will discuss chemistry of two important transition elements, vanadium and chromium. Let's begin with vanadium. It is a silvery white metallic element with atomic number 23, mass number 50.9 AMUs, melting point 1890 degrees centigrade, boiling point 3380 degrees centigrade, and density 6.1 grams per cm cube. It was discovered in 1801 in Mexico by Andres Manuel del Rio, but it was mistaken for a variety of chromium. It was rediscovered in 1830 by Swedish chemist Neil Gabriel Stafstrom. It was named vanadium after goddess of beauty Vanadis. Now let's discuss oxidation states of vanadium. Oxidation state is the apparent positive or negative charge which an atom shows in its compounds. Vanadium shows oxidation states of +5, +4, +3 and +2. In lower oxidation states, compounds of vanadium are good reducing agents and ionic in nature. And due to the presence of incomplete d orbitals, its compounds are colored. Compounds with higher oxidation states of vanadium are colorless due to empty 3d orbitals. In +5 oxidation state, vanadium compounds are colorless, and +5 vanadium ion shows 3d0 4s0 electronic configuration. जब वेनेडियम +5 में कोई रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट ऐड किया जाता है तो इट रिड्यूसेस टू ब्लू वेनेडाइल आयन विद इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ 3d1 4s0. Further, it reduces to green vanadium +3 with electronic configuration of 3d2 4s0. And finally, it gets violet color due to vanadium +2 ion where the electronic configuration is 3d3 4s0. Vanadium also shows +1, 0 and -1 oxidation states. Here are the examples. In these complexes, vanadium shows these three oxidation states. Vanadium as catalyst in contact process. Contact process is the common industrial method of producing sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is also known as king of chemicals. Previously in this process, platinum was used as catalyst, लेकिन अगर इस प्रोसेस में इस्तेमाल होने वाले सल्फ़र में कोई इम्प्योरिटी जैसे कि आर्सेनिक प्रेजेंट हो तो प्लाटिनियम इस इम्प्योरिटी के साथ रिएक्ट कर लेता है एंड इन दिस वे दिस कैटलिस्ट गेट्स पॉइजन्ड, सो इट्स यूज इज़ अवॉइडेड. Nowadays, this catalytic converter uses vanadium pentaoxide to convert sulfur dioxide into sulfur trioxide. Other processes in which vanadium pentaoxide is used as catalyst are oxidation of alcohols, hydrogenation of alkenes. You will also go through this reaction in organic chemistry. Second element we are going to discuss in this lecture is chromium. It is a shiny hard metal with atomic number 24, mass number 51.9 AMUs, melting point 1907 degrees centigrades, boiling point 2672 degrees centigrades, and its specific gravity is 7.2. It was discovered in 1797 by French chemist Louis Nicolas Vauquelin. It was named chromium from the Greek word chroma, meaning color, because it forms a large number of colored compounds. Chromium is the 21st natural abundant element in the earth crust. Common minerals of chromium are chromite or chrome ironstone, chrome orc, crocosite. Chrome ironstone is commonly found in Pakistan, Turkey, Rhodesia, Transvaal, Russia, and India. Important oxidation states of chromium are +6, +3, and +2. Compounds of chromium with +6 oxidation states are good oxidizing agents, and the examples are chromium trioxide, potassium chromate, and potassium dichromate. Chromium 3 compounds are also known as chromic compounds. These compounds are derived from chromic oxide. They are prepared by oxidation of chromium +2 or by reduction of chromium +6 compounds, for example, chromate and dichromate. Examples are chromic chloride and chromic sulfate. Chromium +2 compounds are also known as chromous compounds. These are unstable and oxidize on exposure to air into chromium +3 compounds. Examples include chromous chloride, chromous sulfide, chromous sulfate, and chromous carbonate. Chromium +2 compounds are good reducing agents. Examples in this table show that acidic character and covalent character of oxides increases with increase in the oxidation state. Chromate dichromate equilibrium. Solid potassium chromate forms yellow solution in water. The color is due to chromate ions. Solid potassium dichromate forms orange color in water. The color is due to dichromate ions. In solution, these ions are in equilibrium as is shown by this equation. This dynamic equilibrium is sensitive to acidity and basicity. According to Le Chatelier's principle, जब येलो सोल्यूशन में एसिड ऐड किया जाता है तो इक्विलिब्रियम टूवर्ड्स राइट शिफ्ट होता है and this color turns orange. And when base is added to the orange solution, it turns yellow. Reduction of chromate 6 ions with zinc and acid. For this purpose, dilute sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acid can be used. In first stage, the reduction of chromium +6 to +3 takes place as is indicated by this equation, wherein the reactants in the form of dichromate ion, chromium shows +6 oxidation state, and by reacting with acid and zinc, it reduces to +3 oxidation state. In the second stage, reduction of chromium +3 to +2 takes place, and it is indicated by the second equation, where chromium is in +3 oxidation state in reactants, and in products it has +2 oxidation state. Potassium dichromate as oxidizing agent in organic chemistry. Potassium dichromate with dilute sulfuric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. It can oxidize organic compounds such as primary alcohols. These equations indicate that the primary alcohol ethanol in the presence of potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid is oxidized to ethanol, which on further oxidation is converted into ethanoic acid. In case of secondary alcohols, potassium dichromate oxidizes them into ketones. These reactions will also be studied with their mechanisms in the chapter of alcohols. Tertiary alcohols are not oxidized by potassium dichromate, and the reason will be discussed in the chapter of alcohols. Potassium dichromate as oxidizing agent in titrations. In redox titrations, standard solution of potassium dichromate is used for finding the unknown concentration of iron 2 ions. Dichromate ion reduces to chromium 3 ions as is indicated by the equation, where in the reactants chromium has plus 6 oxidation state and in products chromium has plus 3 oxidation state. Iron 2 is oxidized to iron 3 and it is indicated by this equation. In the reactants iron is in plus 2 oxidation state, while in products it is oxidized to plus 3 oxidation states. For adding these two equations, the electrons will cancel out and the resultant equation will be this one, where on the reactant side dichromate ion has orange color, while in the product side chromium 3 ion is converted into green color. The molecular form of the equation is given as this, which indicates that the mole ratio of dichromate ions and iron 2 ions is 1:6. Let's have a look on the important points of this lecture. Vanadium atomic number 23 shows oxidation states of +5, +4, +3 and +2. Vanadium pentaoxide is used as catalyst in contact process for making sulfuric acid, oxidations of alcohols and hydrogenation of alkenes. Chromium atomic number 24 shows oxidation states of +6, +3 and +2. Chromium +6 compounds are good oxidizing agents. Chromate dichromate equilibrium is sensitive to acidity and basicity. Potassium dichromate is used as oxidizing agent in both organic and inorganic chemistry. Now students, here is an assignment for you which is consisting of the questions from the exercise of this chapter. First one is explain the role of vanadium as catalyst. Second question, discuss chromium compounds as oxidizing agents. Here are also some MCQs from the exercise of this chapter. Try them on your textbooks and afterwards see this slide for the correct options. Thank you very much.